Do you pick the very best clients and customers for your salon, or are you forced to deal with whoever walks through the door? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make sure that you hand select only the perfect guests. Hi, it's Jason Everett from High Performance Salon.com, and today's video is brought to you by Meevo 2 by Millennium Systems International, the only salon and spa software customized for your world, simply better. I was recently chatting with a brand new couple who joined our High Performance Salon Academy, and they came to us and said, Jason, we had gone with another consulting company and they had given us some bad advice that they had told us that we need to stop working with men and children in our salon, and it almost cost us our salon business. And I was like, wow, that's brutal. And it was good that they came to us because we provide actually zero generic advice inside our High Performance Salon Academy. In fact, everything we do is 100% custom tailored to what it is that you do, because for crying out loud, your salon is unlike any other salon on the planet, unless maybe you own another location, right? So the idea is that they came to us and said, we almost lost our entire salon because we were told that female guests are the most profitable, so get rid of our men, get rid of our children. Now, while that might be accurate, we found out that over 55% of their clientele was men. So that advice actually started ripping apart their revenue, and it didn't grow it fast enough to recover. So they changed the model, and now we're giving them some custom advice on how they can actually create what we call an ideal salon avatar. It means where you actually say, look, it's not just about men versus women versus children. It's about what specific women come to your salon that come in on a regular basis, rebook their next appointment, right? They come in frequently enough that it makes sense for them to be there. Then they also purchase retail. They try other services in the salon. Like, who are those ideal people? You're like, man, if I just had 10 more of you, I would be set. Or 100 more of you, I'd be set, right? Those are the people that we're talking about that you want to look for inside your salon so you can get more and more of them and repeat them. So we actually created a really incredible tool that we actually just did in a training inside our full academy, but I'm going to give it to you totally for free right here inside this video. So click around, look for the link so you can actually click it and download this tool, but it's called the Ideal Salon Avatar Creator. And what'll happen is you fill out this form, and you can do it for, take an ideal guest that you have right now and fill it out. What age range are they? What interests they have? What do they love? What don't they like? Where else do they shop? Where do they eat? And what it'll help you to do is create other people that you can target that look exactly like them. So if it's a woman, if it's a man, or if it's children, which by the way would be their parents, not the children that you want to target, you can start thinking, where do these people hang out? Where else can I market to them? How do I target them? And you can use Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or just the marketing that you're doing right now. Until then, have an awesome week. Download the resource and let me know what you think.